Have you ever wondered what Helium Mobile is? Well, let's dive in. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, new players are constantly entering the stage. One of these new entrants is Helium Mobile. It's more than just a crypto coin. It's a technology that's set to revolutionize the way we connect to the internet. Just like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies you may have heard of, Helium Mobile is a digital asset. But what sets it apart is its unique purpose. It's not just about financial transactions. Instead, Helium Mobile is geared towards creating a decentralized global wireless network. In essence, it's about using the power of blockchain to disrupt traditional internet connectivity. It's a bold and ambitious project, and it's causing quite the stir in the crypto community. Understanding new crypto coins like Helium Mobile is essential in this digital age, so stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of Helium Mobile. So, what exactly is Helium Mobile? Let's dive right in. Helium Mobile is not just your run-of-the-mill cryptocurrency, it's a whole lot more. It's an innovative decentralized network created specifically for Internet of Things or IoT devices. Now, you might be wondering, what does that even mean? Well, in simplest terms, it's a network that allows your everyday devices, such as your smart fridge or your wearable fitness tracker, to communicate with each other in a secure and efficient way. And the magic sauce? It's powered by blockchain technology, the same tech that underpins cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. But unlike Bitcoin, Helium Mobile is not just about financial transactions. It's about creating a decentralized and secure network for our increasingly connected world. It's about making IoT communication more accessible, more reliable, and more secure. Intriguing, isn't it? But how does Helium Mobile work? Let's find out. Now you might be wondering, how does Helium Mobile work? Well, let's break it down. Helium Mobile operates on a simple principle. By sharing network coverage, you earn rewards. Here's how it works. When you set up a Helium hotspot in your home or office, you're contributing to the expansion of a decentralized network. This network is used by Internet of Things or IoT devices to transfer data. These devices could be anything from your smart fridge to a city's traffic control system. Each time these devices use your hotspot to connect to the internet, you're rewarded with Helium tokens, also known as HNT. This process, known as mining, is how users can earn HNT. By contributing to the network, you're not just earning crypto, you're also supporting a decentralized internet for IoT devices. So far so good, but what makes Helium Mobile unique in the crypto world? Let's explore. So, what sets Helium Mobile apart from other cryptocurrencies? Well, Helium Mobile isn't just another digital coin, it's the lifeblood of a people-powered network. A network that is designed and maintained by everyday users like you and me. This decentralized approach is a game changer in the world of connectivity. But it's not just about creating networks. Helium Mobile offers low-cost operations, which makes it an attractive choice for those looking to invest in the crypto space without breaking the bank. And here's the icing on the cake. Helium Mobile has real-world applications. From tracking your lost items to monitoring air quality in your city, the use cases are as practical as they are diverse. This combination of unique features makes Helium Mobile a promising investment. By now, you should have a good understanding of Helium Mobile, but remember, every investment comes with its risks. Well, that was a quick journey through the world of Helium Mobile. We've delved into its core, unraveling its unique features and how it operates. This innovative cryptocurrency, designed to create a decentralized network for the Internet of Things, is certainly carving out its own niche in the crypto landscape. However, always remember that while Helium Mobile and other cryptocurrencies may offer intriguing opportunities, they're not without risks. The volatility of the crypto market can cause rapid changes in value. Therefore, it's of utmost importance to carry out comprehensive research and consider your financial situation before jumping in. As we wind up, remember that this video is just a starting point. There's a world of information out there waiting to be discovered. So continue to educate yourself, ask questions, and stay informed. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, invest wisely. Until next time.